This beautiful ice cream torta was created with a variety of these Spanish gourmet specialty products. First, we'll make our Turron Blando Ice Cream. Cover 1-inch pieces of nougat with milk and chill for 12 hours. Strain the nougat from the milk. Now bring the milk to a boil. Beat egg yolks with sugar for 5 minutes and add to the milk. Next, add honey. Cook for 10 minutes, mixing and maintaining the temperature. Add the nougat, crushing the pieces with the spoon until a creamy mixture is achieved. Add the cream and mix well. Cool the mixture for 1 hour and place in the ice cream maker, following the manufacturer's instructions. Now let's plate our dessert. Place some roasted plum compote on the bottom of the serving dish, along with a scoop of the Turron Blando Ice Cream. I'm using Inés Rosales Tortas, which have been made by hand in Sevilla for more than a century and have a wonderful, crispy, light, and flaky texture. Break each torta in half and sandwich the ice cream in between. Finish the dish with a drizzle of fruity and buttery Castillo De Canena Picual olive oil from Spain.